Welcome to the Jessica Swank Show. I'm Jessica Swank, the best person in the world, to be exact, and this is my show. Today, we are talking about Jared's, who's indisposed right now, Jared's favorite chef. And let me ask the question, is it Chef Ramsay? I think not. Is it Rachel Ray? No. It is Chef Boyardee. He hates the macaroni and cheese and makes him puke. But you know, he loves Chef Boyardee, you know. He's met the guy, he's held his hand, you know, by that stuff. And you know, Jared can't even eat macaroni and cheese anymore. Chef Boyardee kinda hurt that for him. He doesn't like cheese. Yeah, he used to like cheese, you know, not as much as me, until he ate this crap. No offense, Chef Boyardee, I don't think it's that bad, but this one's kinda expired. You could probably die. Because it was best by May 16, 2008. So it's about a year old here. But yeah, he's back. Yeah.
This stuff is disgusting and
Because it's expired, that's why.
No, it's just disgusting.
No, it's because it's expired, dude.
Disgusting.
It's expired. Oh, you wanna go? I'm not getting off of here. But you wanna go?
No.
I'll throw a stupid can at you, boy.
No.
I'll throw the can at you. Ah!
But that woman.
Jerk!
Bye-bye.
That was the Jessica Swank Show.